Hello. Hi. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Teacher cannot hear you. Hi.
Hi,
Hi. What's your name?
my name is Pan Pan.
Pan Pan. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So are you ready for our lesson today, Pan Pan?
Mm,
Yes or no? Yes. You say, yes, I'm ready.
yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So teacher will share to you a poem. We will be reading a poem. Okay. Pan Pan, can you see teacher's screen? You can see?
Mm,
Yes?
yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's start. Are you ready? Are you ready for
Yes.
our
Yes, lady.
Yo you say yes, I am ready.
Mm, yes, lady.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, let's start. What can you see here in our picture? What can you see? This is what is
Cookie.
this is
Cookie.
a cookie. Very good. We have here a cookie and cracker. Okay, now what we will be doing, teacher will read it first. Okay, teacher will read first. It and then you will say what teacher is saying.
Um,
Yes?
yes.
Yes. Okay, let's start. Triangle and circle.
Triangle and
Circle. Let's repeat. Triangle and circle.
triangle and circle.
Rectangle and square.
Rectangle and square.
Okay, you repeat it. Rectangle
Rectangle
and
and
square.
square.
Good. You can find.
Yes, I find.
Okay, no, you repeat what teacher is saying. Okay. You can find shapes
You can find tools
around you
around you
almost everywhere.
almost
Almost everywhere.
almost everywhere.
Okay. Now, from this poem, what is the shape of the cracker? Is it a triangle, a
Triangle,
circle,
triangle,
a rectangle, or a square?
or square.
Mm-hmm. What shape is the cracker? The cracker is square.
Square.
Okay, you say it. The cracker
The cracker
is
is
square.
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 Square. Okay. How about the cookie? How about the cookie? What shape is the cookie? The cookie is circle. The, c-
Circle.
The cookie
The cookie
is
is
circle.
circle.
Okay, so we learned about shapes. So again, we have 4 different shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have first triangle. Can you see the
Triangle.
triangle? This is the shape of the triangle. This is a triangle.
Triangle.
Yes. Then this is circle.
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 Okay. Then we have rectangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Very good. And then we have square. Again, square.
Square.
Square. Very good, Pan Pan. Okay, let's proceed with our poem. Okay. How much cookie? Circle.
How much cookie? Circle.
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 How much a cookie? Circle.
How much a cookie? Circle.
Very good. A cracker square goes crunch.
Um,
A
how
cracker. A cracker.
a cracker.
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 A cracker square goes crunch.
A cracker square
Goes
goes
crunch.
crush.
Crunch.
Crush.
Crunch.
Crush.
Crunch.
Crush.
Okay. Did you ever eat a triangle? Did, okay. Did
Did
you
you
ever
ever
eat
eat
a
a
triangle?
triangle?
Did you ever
Did you ever
eat
eat
a triangle?
the triangle?
Mhm. When you were having, when
When
you
you
were
were
having
having
lunch.
lunch.
Mhm. So we have here the triangle and then the square and circle.
And single.
Okay, Pan Pan, what did you eat today? What did you eat? I ate. You say I ate.
Food.
I ate food.
Yes. I ate food.
Okay, I ate food. What shape, what shape is the food that you've eaten? What shape? Is it a triangle? Is it a
Triangle
circle
is girl
or a square?
or is square.
Mm-hmm. You choose.
You choose.
Circle. You choose. Okay, you pick. Is it a circle?
Circle.
Circle. Okay, this is the shape of the circle. And then we have the square. The square is like, the triangle. The triangle is like this. And we do have this square.
Square.
Yes. Let's continue. Very good so far, Pan Pan. Okay. Your life pack
Two like that
is a rectangle.
is
Is a
is
rectangle.
a rectangle.
The church
Two
door
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 is
is
1,
1,
2.
2.
God
God
made
made
this world
this world
all full of shapes.
all
All
full
full
of
of
shape,
shapes.
all
Shapes
full of shape
that work
that work
for you.
for you.
Okay, that is our first poem. So I have here, okay, this is a what? You call this what? This
Pizza,
is pizza. Pizza.
pizza,
Yes, it's a pizza. What shape is the pizza? Is it a square, a
or
s- triangle, or a circle? The pizza is What shape is the pizza? What shape is this?
triangle.
Triangle. Very good. That's good. Okay. How about the door? You say this is a door.
Door
You say this,
is
this is
is
a door.
a door.
A door. What shape is the door? What shape is the door? Is the door circle? Is the door square? Or is the door triangle? Triangle, rather. Or is the door rectangle? The door
Triangle.
is the door triangle. This is what we call rectangle. This is rectangle. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay, very good. The door is rectangle.
Rectangle.
The door
The door
is
is
rectangle.
rectangle.
Very good, Pan Pan. Okay, so that is our first poem of the evening. Now we will be having a new poem. Mhm.
Um,
Okay, what can you see here? What do you call
elephant.
this? Is You say,
Elephant.
this is an elephant.
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 How about this? What is this?
Ant.
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 Ant. Very good. This is an ant and elephant.
Elephant.
Okay. Mhm. So this is a story about the ant and the elephant. Okay. You repeat what teacher is saying. What is big? What
What
is
is
big?
big?
Do you know?
Do you know?
Small
Small
is just
is just
as hard
as hard
to show.
to show.
What is big?
Is big.
Do you know? Do
Did you
you
know?
know? Small is
Do
just
you know? Small is just
as hard
as hard
to show.
to show.
Okay, very good, Pan Pan. Now, here in the picture, is the elephant big or small? Big or small? Is it small or big? Okay. Is the elephant small or big?
Big.
Very good. Okay, the elephant is big.
An elephant is big.
The elephant is big.
Elephant is big.
Okay, how about the ant? Is the ant small or big? Is the ant small or big?
Small.
Small, very good. Okay, the ant is small.
Ant is small.
Okay, very good. Mhm. Very good, Pan Pan. You are doing well. Okay. How about this? Long or short? Long or short? I cannot hear you, Pan Pan. Teacher cannot hear you. Okay. Long or short?
Long or short.
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 Narrow or wide?
Narrow or wide.
How do you know?
How do you know?
Can you decide?
Can you decide?
Okay. So we have here. Wait for a while. Mhm. We have here. What do you call this, Pan Pan? What do you call this? We call this pencil.
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 Okay. Is this pencil short or long? Short,
Short.
short or long? What's the answer? Is this pencil short or long? Is it short or long?
Short.
Short. Very good. The pencil is short. How about this pencil? Is it short or long?
Long.
Long. Very good. Okay, that's great, Pan Pan. Mhm. So the pencil here is short. This pencil is long. Hmm,
Long.
long. Okay. How about this? We have here house.
House.
House. Okay,
House.
house. Mhm. So we have here a wide house and a narrow house. You say wide. Wide.
White.
Wide.
White.
Wide.
White.
Okay. Narrow.
Narrow.
Narrow. Narrow. Narrow.
Narrow.
Okay. So we have here a wide house and then a narrow house. Mhm.
Narrow house.
Narrow house. Okay. How about here? Okay. Let's read Pan Pan. Wind can whistle
Whistle.
and rustle
And lasso.
the leaves.
Leaf.
Water can gurgle.
And go.
Okay, you say gurgle.
To. Coat.
Gurgle.
Circle.
Okay. And splash.
And splash.
Okay. Wind can whistle
Wind can whistle.
and rustle the leaves.
And rustle the leaf.
Water can gurgle
Water can go.
and splash.
And wash.
Okay, let's have here. What is this? Is this wind or water? Is this wind or water?
Water.
Water. This is water. How about this? Is it water or wind?
Wind.
Wind. Very good. So we have here water. We have here wind. Very good, Pan Pan. Mm-hmm. So teacher will be giving you stars. We have here. Very good. You have many stars, Pan Pan, for doing great. Mhm. So okay, how about this? Hmm? Teacher will delete first the stars. Okay. Mm-hmm. You say a bird can sing. A bird. Again, I cannot hear you. A bird.
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 Okay, very good. A bird can sing
A bird can sing.
way up in the trees.
Way up in the tree.
A cricket can chirp.
And chirp.
A cricket can chirp.
A cricket and chirp.
A cricket can chirp
Cricket and chirp
in the grass.
in the grass.
In the grass. Okay. What do you call this? Is this a bird or a cricket? Is this a bird or a cricket?
Bird.
A bird. Bird.
Bird.
Okay, how about this? This is a what? This is cricket.
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 Cricket. Okay. What is the color of the cricket? What is the color of the cricket? The cricket
Violet.
is green.
Green.
Green. The cricket is green. Okay, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's move to the next poem. Music.
School.
Music
Music
has tone.
has done.
It can be loud or soft.
It can be loud or soft.
Music
Music
has pitch.
has pitch.
Has pitch.
Has pitch.
It can go high
It can be high
or low.
or low.
Okay, so this is what we call music. Okay, what can you see here in the picture? Here in the picture, we have, wait, okay. What is this? What do you call this? Guitar. Guitar.
Guitar.
Guitar. When you play like this, guitar.
Guitar.
Guitar. How about this?
Guitar.
This is tambourine. 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 This is drum. Drums. Drum. This is a drum.
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 Okay.
Drum.
Then trumpet. Trumpet.
Drum.
Trumpet.
Drum.
And
Drum.
the girl
Good.
is singing.
Singing.
Singing. Do you sing, Pan Pan? Do you like to sing?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. What is your favorite song? What is your favorite song?
What is
Hmm? What is your favorite song? Yes. Okay, it's fine. But I know that you are good in singing. Okay, let's continue. Yes?
Sing.
Okay. Let's have this. Music. We have music
Music
has rhythm.
has
You can march
to march
to the rhythm.
to rhythm,
To the rhythm.
to the rhythm,
Rhythm.
the rhythm,
Rhythm.
rhythm
Okay. Of a band.
of a band.
Okay. This group of students, of kids, is what we call band. Okay. This is a band.
Band
This is a band.
is band.
Okay, that's nice. Let's continue.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, how about this? The girl is holding pot of flowers. You say
Part of
pot
part
of
of
flowers.
flowers.
Flowers. How about this? The girl, the girl
The girl
is
is
eating
apple.
an apple. Very good. This is an apple. Okay. We have here smell,
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 smell. Okay,
smell,
when you do like this, you smell and taste. Okay, taste. Hello?
smell,
Smell and then taste. Taste. You say taste. Taste.
taste.
Okay. It's really bad
It's really bad
to have a cold.
to have it,
To have a cold.
to have a cold.
I can't breathe.
I can't feel.
I can't
I can't
breathe.
breathe.
Okay, you say breathe
Breathe
through my nose.
through my nose.
No matter,
Just
no matter how I sniff and sniff.
online and snip,
You say, I sniff and sniff
snip,
and sniff.
and snip.
I cannot smell a rose. I can not smell
Smell
a rose.
the rose.
Okay. When my nose is all stuffed, where is your nose first? Where is your nose? Okay, this is nose.
This is no
Nose.
nose.
When my nose is when my nose
This
is all stuffed up,
is all stuff
the very worst
very low
to me
to me
is the way
is the way
I cannot taste
I cannot taste
my food.
my food.
No matter,
No
no
matter
matter what I eat.
what I eat.
Mhm. So, as you can see here, we have here a little girl. A little girl. And the girl has colds.
Food.
Colds. Mhm.
Food.
When you are sniffing and then sniffing, meaning you have
Food.
colds. Okay? That's what we call sniffing. Okay?
Food.
Yeah, when you sniffing. Okay. What about this? The boy is eating what? The boy is eating what?
Mm, apple.
Apple, and then the boy is eating an apple. How about this? These are fruits.
Fruit.
Fruits.
Food.
And then milk.
Milk.
Milk. And vegetables.
Milk.
Vegetables.
And that's
Okay.
That's
The
first.
the boy, the boy. Repeat what teacher is saying. The boy. Hello. The boy
Boy
is eating
eating
an apple. An
apple.
apple. Fruit.
Apple.
Fruits.
Fruit.
And
And
vegetables.
that
Okay, very good, Pan Pan. Okay, we read 4 poems today. Did you enjoy our class? Yes? You enjoy our class? You say thumbs
yeah.
up. Thumbs up if you enjoy our class. Very good. Okay, so see you next time, Pan Pan. I hope you have a good day today. Okay? Bye-bye, Pan Pan.
Bye bye teacher.
Bye-bye. See
Bye
you.
bye. See you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I hope you enjoyed our class today, Pan Pan. Yes, that's good to hear. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, I will stop it. See you soon.
See you.